On a rainy night beneath a flickering streetlight, a gray cat was gently left at a lonely bus stop. Its green eyes full of trust as a human walked away. The cat stayed. Days turned into seasons as buses came and went. But the cat never followed, only watching the road. Winter arrived, snow falling as the cat grew thinner, curling against the cold yet lifting its head each night to wait. One quiet morning, soft sunlight touched the empty stop, where the cat lay peacefully at last, the waiting finally over.